Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Apple cider vinegar may stop hiccups quickly because its sour taste can reset your diaphragm by stimulating throat nerves. Scientific proof is limited and results vary. If you try it, dilute a small amount in water to avoid irritation. Remember, hiccups usually go away on their own within minutes.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.